Okay, pause. Question number 3. A soft drink is available in 2 packets. A tin can with a rectangular base, length 5 cm, breadth 4 cm, having height 15 cm, and a plastic cylinder circular base. Which container has more capacity? It's very easy sums. First of all, we will find the volume of the tin can having base which is like a cuboidal, and next one, that cylinder. First of all, tin can dimension, length of the tin can, length of the tin can equal to 5 centimeter, breadth of tin can, that is 4 centimeter, and height of tin can, that is 15 centimeter. So students, can you say which shape this tin can? Quickly. Yes, cuboid. So what is the volume formula? What is the volume formula? Quickly, that is L into B into H, that is 5 into 4 into 15 centimeter cube, that equal to 300 centimeter cube. And another container, that container, a plastic cylindrical container, diameter 7 centimeter. So cylindrical container, base radius of cylindrical container equal to 7 centimeter, diameter equal to diameter 7 centimeter, so it will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, and height of the cylinder that is given, height of the cylinder is given 10 centimeter. Now tell me the formula of cylinder, volume formula of cylinder. Tell me the volume formula of cylinder. What is the formula? Write it down quickly. Yes, pi r square. Very good. So volume equal to volume of that cylindrical container, pi r square is, that is 22 by 7. R square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h, 10. Okay, got it? 7 remove 2, 11, 2, 5. So that is 77 into 5, 385 centimeter cube. 385 centimeter cube. Okay. So which has more capacity, that cuboidal can or that cylindrical can? Cylindrical can. And how much more capacity from cylindrical cuboidal can? That is 385 minus 300 centimeter cube, that is 85 centimeter cube. Got it, everyone? Any problem, anyone? No sir, no sir. Okay. Okay. So moving on, the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4, it is, if the lateral surface area of cylinder is 95 height, find its radius of its base and volume. Very interesting, Sam, and important sum. So question number 4, CSA given 94.2 centimeter square, 94.2 centimeter square. First of all, CSA means curved surface area of cylinder. Now we have to calculate base radius and volume. Okay, and also height is given h equal to 5 centimeter. So we don't know the value of radius. Okay, we don't know the value of radius, so we are taking, let base radius equal to r centimeter. Now student, tell me, height is given, r is given, that means r. Okay, what is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder? Curved surface area of cylinder, tell me quickly. Okay, one students have already answered. Rajanna, Amrita, 2 pi r. Yes, Orpit. Very good. Rajanna, Amrita and Orpit. Now it is Todha. I don't know what is the name is written in very much. Okay, the 4 answer came, that is 2 pi r. So therefore 2 pi RH equal to 94.2. Nafisa, okay, Nafisa. Therefore, and in the question it is given that you have to use pi equal to 3.14. So 2 into 3.14, r means 5, h means, sorry, r and h means 5, that equal to 94.2. Therefore r equal to 94.2 by 2 into 3.14 into 5. Okay, so what will be the value of r? Quickly answer it. First of all, if we divide it, that is 47.1 and 47.1, that is 15.42. 15.42, if I divide it, we get exactly, not exactly, we'll get it 3.14. Okay, 3 centimeter. Yes, that is r equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, r equal to 3 centimeter. As r equal to 3 centimeter, what will be the volume? Find it quickly. What will be the volume? Volume equal to pi r square h. 3.14, r means 9, h means 5. So 3.14 into 45. Calculate it quickly. Calculate it quickly. One 141.3 centimeter cube. Okay students, you have any problem? Then tell me quickly regarding the question number 4. We will move on, otherwise we will move on question number 5. Okay, now question number 5. Question number, it cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylinder vessel 10 determinant cost painting eto. Okay, inner curved surface area, radius of base and capacity of the vessel. First of all, rupees 20 is cost of painting 1 meter square area. So it is given rupees 20 is the cost for painting 1 meter square area, and total cost, that is 2200. So inner curved surface area equal to 2200 by 20, is it 2200, that is equal to 110 meter square. Okay, so that total cost equal to rate into area, that formula we have used, total cost equal to rate into area. Here rate given, cost, total cost given, so we can easily find out total cost by rate equal to area. Okay, so in this formula we get curved surface area, inner curved surface area, that is 110 meter square. And one thing, students, that is I am taking an h is given, h is 10 meter given. Okay, h that equal to 10 meter given. Next we need to find what is the radius. So let base radius equal to r. Now tell me, what will be the inner curved surface area formula? What will be the inner curved surface area formula? Quickly, 2 pi rh. Very good. So 2 pi, according to the question, 2 pi rh equal to what? Tell me quickly. 2 pi rh equal to what? Quickly. Yes, 2 pi h, that is the inner curved surface area. That equal to what can I write here? Yes, 110. Very good. That equal to 110. Now from here you know that r equal to 10. So 2 point here pi, it is mentioned that pi means 22 by 7. Very good. 22 by 7 into r into 10 equal to 110. So 0 remove. Okay, so r equal to 11 into 7 by 2 into 22. So 11 2 7 by 4. 7 by 4 means I think it is 1.75. 7 by 4 means it is 1.75. That centimeter. No, that meter, not centimeter. Okay, that is the radius of that cylinder. Okay, students. So what will be the volume? Volume equal to pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7, r means 1.75 into 1.75, and h means 10. Okay, calculate it quickly. If I get it, that is 0.25. Calculate it quickly. 22 into 0.25 into 1.75 into 10. What will be the value? For time saving, I am giving here that equal to 96.25 meter cube. 96.25 meter cube. Now, if I change into liter, yes, if I want to change into liter, what we will multiply here? 1000 or 100? 1000 or 100? Yes, 1000 liter. So 96250 liter. Okay, 9625. Yes, 1000. Very good. 96250 liter. Okay. Okay. Next question. Okay, students. In the follow ePortal, I hope within today or tomorrow I will upload the project, your project, maths project. Okay, it should be from quadrilateral. Project, one video also be uploaded about project, and within today or tomorrow, what is your math project, that subject will be given. I hope in this Christmas vacation, if there is any vacation and any notice have not been given yet, if any vacations are in there, then you can submit the project. Okay,